back to another video. So you know, say as you can see, we have like a Christmas things out and thing. I'm all festive. Like what some call it a Christmas tree. This Christmas tree. But anyways, so today we're actually gonna put up the Christmas tree. We kinda want someone for being at this video, but I'm gonna sleep. So now Chris I'm gonna start this out. We basically will use what color? Red and gold mostly. Yeah, we have like, you know, showing everything and sing, and Chris I'm gonna sing a little Christmas.
I'm not singing a song.
It's not singing a Christmas song.
We have saved energy this year. We are plugging in one light.
But yeah.
We cannot afford the light bill because the light bill gone up.
Okay, and
so,
but you have the one them.
We have one light.
I want to have someone use batteries.
And we have some battery lights. Our battery light they will start use come next year. So we can buy something to use it.
I just said JPS, I get all that. But so, yeah, we are trying to match this up so we can go and watch and thing. But we have put up it this late, like
put up it.
What is this?
Put it up.
Put whatever it is, you know what I'm talking about, that thing there. We're doing it this late because alright, when you have one toddler and them touch everything. See? So we have to do this now because by the time, if we did it earlier, when Christmas comes, then we probably would have nothing on the tree. So yeah, him can't take off everything by the time when Saturday for reach. See?
So there's Wednesday. So couple days before Christmas.
Yeah.
So if a tree not working, then we don't have none for Christmas Day.
So alright, we're match this up, isn't it? Christmas.
Well, we never match this.
You put on it what?
No,
but
that
then
last.
oh, you can tie it. Oh yeah. So I wish Christmas and everything.
Cool.
Yeah. I like the something they want. I like the Jesus Christmas.
That's all them, alright? Sing the rest of that song.
It's been a long, long time.
I'm not sure they get exactly on that. You know what? I'll play some music and like I enjoy while we set up the tree because Sam is singing all the work tonight.
But then no, it's not made that one.
Because that's all I know.
But then
well, again, probably that's all enough of them know too. Google the lyrics of the songs and stop on the choral then.
But at least that counts, at least you know a little thing and you have a little vibes.
Alright guys, so we just plant the tree.
And then you have
so I'm going to just watch it grow now.
Oh.
I'm going to see it going to grow, yeah?
Guys, let me tell you something. You see, before we had Samuel, at the year when Samuel born, that was 2019, that's when we go buy this tree. Because we did say, oh, we have to start one Christmas tradition for family. See? And right about now, if you ask him about Christmas and gift on the Christmas tree, yay! Excited, he kind of understand it right now. So, yeah.
Just walk. Alright, so I do a little light test to see if we need to put on anything else, but I think it good.
But you forgot to turn on my display so I can
Let's
see
see.
me. Yeah? Look on man?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm have to tell me for my sin.
I think that can work.
Me blink window?
Yeah, I forgot. Stand up there for your side 9.
Where's that with the tree?
Yeah, we miss one spot.
Where? Merry Christmas, Merry away. This is our Lord's Day. It's Christmas.
So we won't be paying any electricity bill for our Christmas tree. Okay.
will be a very special Christmas. Oh, what?
Tell them how they sing what. Anyways, guys, there you have it. Our Christmas tree is ready with Christmas only a few days away. Hopefully, when someone wake up and start tear off the things them. And this is our Christmas shirt from last year. We had our quarantine Christmas, but it was still good. So, hope you guys love the decoration on the tree. It wasn't anything long, but it still look good in our opinion. You guys can tell us what you think. If you like it, tell if you like it. If you don't like it, don't be afraid to say you don't like it. I just saw it go.
Just say it in the comment, no, but I dislike the video.
Yeah, so just comment below. Tell us how you plan to spend your Christmas. We'll try to give you bits and pieces of our Christmas day in another video. But for now, this is what we have. We're not going to put no present on the tree from tonight because on tomorrow Christmas. So you guys can catch that in our another upload after this. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like this video, even if you don't like it, still like it. Leave us your comments. And I hope you guys enjoy this season. Remember to stay safe. Remember it's time to enjoy yourself, just relax. Eat some cake if you're not eating none for the entire year. Drink some sorrel, drink some wine if you have rum, if you have champagne, whatever it is.
But guess what?
What?
You still need to remember something else.
What?
Jesus is the reason.
Guys, someone sing all night under the pan singing. So I'm going to leave on now.
Yeah.
And Unana can sing. Go on with the singing.
Look, what's
Sing a
this?
song. Sing a song. I don't know what that is. See, them not even see it.
What?
Sing. Sing a song.
Which one?
No, you just sing a song.
Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah. Yes.
You see, you don't know the song then I want to sing with you. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember what I said, like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe. Make sure you share the video with your friends and your family. Just like how we are sharing the joy and the love, make sure you spread it across the world. And we'll see you on Christmas Day.
Like greetings across the world.
No, that is outdated. But
under the mistletoe.
alright, sing the song. I'll sing next Christmas, guys. Have a good night. Bye.
Hello there. Merry Christmas, how you been? Hello there. Merry Christmas, how you been? It's so good to talk to you again. It's been a long, long time, and it's one way outside. I guess it's just a Merry Christmas. Your turn.